My camera. See ya.
No, Jordan, you don't go with us.
What?
Like we said, don't take pictures of us.
I'm not taking pictures.
Video.
So hard to see in the dark. Bro, I'm so sweaty.
Yo, someone said, some girl says she liked you.
Yeah, they don't know me. That's for sure.
they
Just
do.
cap. That's
from your
cap.
She's from your school.
Yeah. What's her name?
Huh?
What class?
Rebecca, we said that you
she didn't
shouldn't
tell me
take
her name.
pictures of us. We already
Well,
told you.
she said to me, do you know, Jarda, can you tell him I like you? She wants to kiss you.
Oh, you do know I do not allow simping. I don't even allow simping.
Okay, what is simping?
You know,
What is
anime. That's
No,
it.
no, no, no. What is simping?
Flirting. That's what it is.
And why is this bad?
Well, maybe because I do hate the sus.
What is sus?
I know how to use it.
Shut up.
No, Jordan, you don't. You should answer this. Okay, look. It's video. If you click this, video.
I'm
will
going
start.
to. I'm going to take a video of the
This?
camera.
No,
Oh, it's a
Jordan.
video?
Yeah, this is video.
Can you do
If you
another
want-
video? Oh.
Do this. That's pictures. Now you can see it right here.
I just want to take pictures of the place. Oh, wait, there's planes right here. I want to take a picture of plane.
Planes. Try zooming in. There's no planes.
Well, I accidentally did it to the sun for like 0.1 seconds.
That's
Point one.
If it's 0.1 second. Let's go.
But hold on.
Look at that side and that side.
Camera taking picture of camera. Be like,
Don't take pictures of Jordan.
Let's see if there's any
enough.
planes nearby.
there's no planes nearby. Oh my
Let's
God.
go there. We'll see two planes in here.
No,
Wait, what if you get lost?
Look, I have a tracker.
What if we just get lost? Oh, just remember that the number is 246. Okay. Wildlife. Yeah, but what about? Wow, there is bears around here.
Really?
Yeah, we're literally inside of a forest.
You know where the oats are?
Wow.
These nuts?
Mr. Beast chocolate bar. These nuts.
You know my cousin tried that? He bought it from Walmart.
Give
How much
me.
that cost?
Huh?
How much that cost?
I don't know, not expensive. But
Mm,
they
how is
said, but in the thing, they said, in the video, they said it tastes better than Hershey's. But Alibek said it tastes ass.
I never tried it.
It tastes like
Oh, bro, look, they have a playground.
Okay, Jordan, but we're asking not to take a video of us.
Yeah.
Can you stop?
Okay, fine. I just won't put you in the camera. My God.
And we don't want our voices to be there.
Why?
We just don't want to. We'll show it to girlfriends. You'll show it to your girls. We don't want it.
I don't have any girls.
No, you like. You have like 10. Minimum 10.
Stupid. I don't even have any girls.
You have like 10
How
girls.
can I
Don't
make
worry.
I'm 9 years old.
How can I make it?
I don't know. You have 8 years old girlfriends. I don't know.
80 years. Oh my God, bro. That's like catfishing.
This thing is white balance. It should be zero. So it's zero. So it's good. If you point to the sky. No, it's okay, bro. That's all right. If you want to make it darker, but it's kind of good. No, you don't change the white balance.
They literally have a camera.
No, Jarbeck, you're breaking the rules.
What do you mean?
You're asking not to take pictures of it.
What is so wrong? Why y'all like my mom? Like she doesn't want to be. Like she doesn't want to be on camera. I'll take a picture of that with the camera. Oi.
Bro, you don't understand. Like, millions of people can see us, and we might know these people. That's gonna be embarrassing.
Yeah, millions of FBI's.
FBI. So cool, isn't it?
So cool.
What's so wrong about
You know,
the
they're
FBI?
hearing you through their phone. You through your phone. Actually hearing.
Allah FBI.
Oh, there's a cat.
Cat?
Oh, zoom in. There's a cat walking.
Walking? Do you
Okay,
like?
can I take a picture now?
Where's the cat? I don't see no cats.
I know you're not happy.
Oh, how about we take a picture of the forest? No, it's not a forest. A lot of trees.
Yeah. Looks nice here.
Oopsie. You see this thing?
Take a picture of me.
Oh, okay. This one?
𝚗𝚑𝚑𝚒, can you move?
Bruh.
Like actually, we told you many times.
How about if you do this? Maybe go further? So, take a picture of the road and the line thing.
Or actually, I tried this one more time. Let me show you.
Oh yeah, this is better. This is better. I need the white line to like come out.
What's this?
Yo,
What?
sanitary.
Oh, yeah, I know. Oh.
I'm sorry, I need to change something.
Oh, it looks better without my glasses.
I'm gonna do it.
Should I include the car too?
Probably, no? Is this what you want?
Oh yeah, something like that.
How about you do this?
When can
Or like this one. Can you show me? Can you show me? Can you
Guys, what if they're calling us?
Do they?
I don't know. What if they are? Yep.
Oh, plane.
Plane, up there.
Yeah.
Take a picture.
It was too laggy.
Too laggy.
I was supposed to do it from here.
Because it's the
No,
Android.
but it could have shown it better.
Wait, let me see it. Let me
No,
see
it's
it.
not there.
Can I see if it's like there's more? Yeah.
Did they call us? Did you actually hear them call us?
No, I was just thinking if they were, but we just can't hear them.
If they were calling us, they would have just phone called us.
Yeah. Not that.
Where's
Okay,
the plane
let's
that
go
was
down.
nearby?
I don't know.
Wait, where? Oh, I think
You don't know. You're like.
I really want to take pictures of like those Sienna planes with propellers.
Propellers? Why do you want the propellers, dude? Guys, I think one's coming.
Do you want me to take a picture?
Please don't force me. Please don't force me.
No, of course.
Okay, wait, hold on.
Dude, see if there's an airplane. I hear one. I hear
Yeah,
one.
just look at me.
I hear one. Dude, I hear one. Take a picture. Should
Put
be
it in
here.
this camera mode. It'll be better. We'll focus on it better.
No, if it's camera mode, it's gonna be video.
Let's see.
It doesn't get louder. It gets.
Yeah, it just goes.
So it's probably going away from us.
Can you stand here?
But how did we hear it? Anyway. Bye.